Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll show you how to get a welcome deal on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account, and at homepage you should look for the banner welcome deal. So here it is. But pay attention that this welcome deal gives you a discount just for the first order. So add item to your cart, for example this one. At the bottom right corner of your screen you see red button buy now, so press it, proceed, and basically confirm your order. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.